Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel where we keep you updated with the latest tech features and trends. Today, we're diving into a brand new feature on Twitter, now called X. It's called Radar. This exciting tool is exclusively available for Premium Plus subscribers. Let's explore what Radar offers and why it's worth checking out. Radar is designed to enhance your experience with real-time trends, giving you faster and more detailed insights into what's happening around the globe. It's rolling out in phases for Premium Plus members in the US starting on October 17th. Here's why Radar is a game changer. Think of it as an alternative to Google Trends, but specifically tailored for Twitter. It helps you discover what's trending, offering a quicker way to stay updated with breaking news or viral topics in your areas of interest. With Radar, you can filter and customize trends, making it even easier to access the information that matters to you. Now, let's talk about how to access Radar. You'll need to subscribe to Premium Plus, which is priced at $22 per month. Besides Radar, Premium Plus also offers some amazing perks. Grow 2 AI Assistant, a handy tool similar to ChatGPT for personalized assistance. Ad-free experience, browse without interruptions for a smoother, more enjoyable time. And there you have it. Radar is not just a new feature, but a powerful tool for anyone who wants to stay ahead of the curve with real-time information. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more exciting tech news and tips. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.